Hey, welcome to this series on iOS XR 7.4.1 new features. Today we get started with Tejas, who will present the enhancements Jericho2 offers on IPv4 and IPv6 egress access list. And that's just after this intro.
Welcome to this video on iOS XR 7.4.1 enhancements. My name is Tejas Lad and I am a technical marketing engineer in the Cisco MIG. In this video, we will discuss the enhancements in the ACL support on the Jericho2 based platforms in the egress directions. These features are applicable to only Jericho2 based platforms. Prior to 7.4.1, we did quite a few enhancements. We no longer need the hardware module profile for permit stats. We no longer need hardware module profile for carving the resources in the ETCAM. IPv6 egress ACL does not need a recycle of packets. We support ACL on the BVI interface in the egress direction. With XR 7.4.1, we bring in more support for the ACL in the egress direction for the matching criteria, be it v4 or v6, like packet length matching, precedence, DHCP, fragment bit, TCP control flags, extension header, and destination system port. Let us take an example. We will configure a IPv4 access list and an IPv6 access list for packet length matching. We can see we have configured a v4 access list. Similarly, we will configure a v6 access list. Now we will try to apply this access list on an interface. We can see the commit is failing. Let's see what's the error. We can see the error says match type of packet length is not supported. Let's see what happens with the IPv6 access list. The v6 access list is failing as well. Let's see the error. We get the same error of match type of packet length is not supported. Let's try the same access list on a node with XR 7.4.1. We can see the release XR 7.4.1, and we will try applying the same access list on the interface and see whether it gets applied. We can see this access list got applied on the interface. We will check the running config and verify the same. We can see the interface is the access list is attached to the interface. We'll try the same for a v6 access list. And both the access lists have been applied to the interface. Let's verify the same. We can see both the access lists have been attached to the interface. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Tejas, for this demo. Of course, you can find all these details and much more in xrdocs.io/NCS5500/tutorials. Next week, we're going to have Rakesh presented a security feature on NCS 540 new platforms.